How is it then? There you go, people. So I've got chana here, some omelette, and then I got paratha. So I'm going to try chana and paratha first. Guys, welcome back to Jlifeable. So today we're here at Chai Green Sparkhill Stratford Road, Birmingham. So this is a new branch opened about a week ago or so. So we're here with brother Yusuf. So today we're going to try some breakfast. I haven't tried the breakfast before and try some karak chai.
Yeah,
so
why not?
Yeah, let's go, brother Yusuf. Yeah, it seems to be.
Well, it looks very nice and simple, straightforward. It looks very appetising compared to other places we've been to. This is probably the less decorative, but I think it's nice to see what you're getting.
How is it then?
That's very, very nice.
Keema.
That really is very nice. Apologies for not using the hand, it's very hot.
Yeah.
But
what about the
omelette?
Omelette.
Standard, it needs salt and pepper. The keema is very nice.
What about the paratha?
Paratha with it, oh,
Yeah.
it's just like heaven. I've not had anything like this for
You're the taste of tea. Now that's the important thing.
Yeah, you know what? I'm a little bit disappointed with the chai.
Okay. Is it not karak? Proper karak?
Yeah, it's creamy, less sweet, and not as much as I would hope to have a big cup of chai. But otherwise,
Lovely.
okay, good one. Thank you.
There you go, people. So I've got chana here, some omelette, and then I got paratha. So I'm going to try chana. Right, people, we've had our breakfast as you've seen it, so we're gonna get some final verdicts from brother Yusuf. Go on, brother Yusuf.
Yeah, I expected a bit more, better standard. I think it's just new, just give it time to mature. But other places are better than this. But there's certain elements of the breakfast they're very good at, like the keema.
Yeah.
Chai wasn't so good. They admit that the chai.
Yeah, I think the lady girl on the counter said that chai is not as usual.
Yeah.
It wasn't up to the standard, so that's quite good because at least they know the chai wasn't there. Because I had the chai from the other branch once, just the chai, and I thought it was decent, it was good. But this one wasn't as good.
It was very creamy, not so spicy.
Yeah, exactly.
We'll have to give it another go.
But overall, I think it's okay. But the question: are you full? Was it filling?
Nah, you know me.
Well, it was. To be fairly honest, to give a fair verdict, I don't even think I was feeling full up this time. Generally, I do, but this time I was like, I feel like half empty.
Yeah, we'll have to have the full breakfast next time. We had a Desi breakfast.
Well, it's no, I don't think it's much different. Desi breakfast should fill you up more, shouldn't it? A lot of
It should
carbs.
be, yeah. I'll just have to have
Yeah, but
double
anyways,
tea.
overall, it's not too bad. But I think the verdict is, they need, it could improve. Okay, it could improve.
Give it a go.
Yeah, so guys, make sure you keep on following us, and Brother Yusuf will keep on giving you the reviews when he's along with me.
Okay, I will.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Yeah, do
Bye
subscribe to the channel though if you haven't, and like this video.